WordPress in 2025 is no longer just a website builder, it's a complete growth engine if you know how to use it the right way. I am Munib, growth strategist from Growth Beyond Horizon, and in today's video, I am going to show you how to build a high converting website through WordPress step by step. Most people focus only on design, but real results come from structure, speed, and strategic placement. Your homepage must guide the visitor, your offer must be clear, and your call to action must be impossible to miss. With the right theme, the right plugins, and simple optimization techniques, you can turn your WordPress site into a machine that drives sales 24/7. Whether you are creating an e-commerce store, a service website, or a personal brand, this video will give you a clear blueprint that you can apply immediately. At Growth Beyond Horizon, we help businesses transform their websites into assets that actually grow their brand. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more content from Growth Beyond Horizon.